live from JISEC 2021. This is me, Rabab from TechX Media, and I have Mr. Oren Alimelek, who is founder and CEO of Cyber Team 360. And I have a few questions for him. How are you, Oren?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so I want to ask that first, please tell us about your presence at JISEC 2021. What are you showcasing this time?
Okay, Cyber Team 360 has been invited here to JISEC in Dubai, in the Emirates, to present on incident response and incident management. We actually help companies, organization, SMBs, enterprise, corporation dealing with cyber incident. We are a military-grade cybersecurity firm out of Israel, assisting companies monetize their cybersecurity if they get breached, if they get penetrated, because usually it's not a question of if, it's a question of when. So we are helping them if things go wrong. We are the people in the company to assist you when you are in need, and also better prepare you in advance, becoming proactive in incident management.
Excellent. So continuing to that, what advice do you have for SMEs and SMBs to counter the recent cyber threats in this era especially?
All right, very good question. We see in Cyber Team 360, we see organizations are not investing enough resources. They are waiting for things to go wrong, and when they do go wrong, they go wrong in the baddest way possible. Because, for example, in a recent incident, we recommended a company to invest in something, and they waited too long, almost a year, and the incident actually happened, and it cost them 10 times fold. Today, I presented here on the dark stage, talking about Colonial Pipeline. And Colonial Pipeline was a huge impact in the US on May 7th, which is actually my birthday. So it was a big headline. I wasn't expecting this, but it was a devastating blow because almost 4.4 million were out of electricity for 6 days. And it's costing them millions.
My God.
So I know from advance, because I worked in the government of Israel, that Colonial Pipeline didn't have a cybersecurity assessment for 3 years. They postponed it. Sometimes the building moved, they didn't have the right time. So if they would have invested the time to check, they might have been able to prevent such an incident. So I'm advising SMBs and corporations, be vigilant, become proactive, check where you're at before the incident happens.
Yeah, quite interesting. So when we talk about future, do you see any cybersecurity trends coming up in the near future?
Yes. In Israel, I guide and train cybersecurity companies and chief information security officer. I have trained in Israel, in the government worldwide, over 1,000 CISO, chief information security officers. And I believe that here in the Emirates, in Abu Dhabi, in Dubai, Bahrain, all the area, need to invest money and train the people in advance, because you can have the right tools and there's great companies here, and but you still need to have the workforce, the process. So you need to captivate between the technology and the people and the process, combine them together to have the right impact.
Excellent, excellent. Interesting, Oren. Thank you so much for coming here and for this interview opportunity from me and from TechX. And I would like to tell everyone that TechX is here all 3 days to cover the event live. So stay tuned and stay updated about all the latest happenings from the event. Thank you, Oren.
Thank you. Shukran.